The Venus flytrap is infamous for trapping and eating its prey, mostly flies. Never humans as the movie would suggest, as far as we know. Observe your flytrap's eating habits and take note if it doesn't tend to close its traps after a month or so. The traps will close once it's caught some snacks. There are only so many flies to go around indoors, so your plant may need assistance in this department. You can help by feeding it small insects if you can catch them. Dead insects will work as well. If you can't find any, try bloodworms from the pet store. As a general rule with all plants, don't play with your Venus flytrap and force the traps to close for funsies outside of feeding time. Don't be a bully. This otherworldly, carnivorous plant requires the brightest light you can provide in your home. A south or west window is ideal, with 4 to 12 hours of direct sunlight. A grow light will help. We sell grow lights that will work in any lamp. Make sure to set the light timer to 12 hours max. Consistently moist soil is essential from spring to fall. In the winter, while the plant is dormant, ease up on watering and light. Check the soil often and do not let it dry out. Use distilled water, rainwater, or tap water that has sat out for at least 24 hours. Try not to water these babies direct from the tap. They're very sensitive. Unlike most plants, this one can sit in standing water no more than halfway up the pot. Bonus, you can set your Venus flytrap in water before your vacation and have some peace of mind that it's taking care of itself. High humidity is an important factor while caring for a Venus flytrap. This can be achieved in a terrarium or a display case, with a humidifier, or by placing the plant on a pebble tray filled with water. Don't worry too much about it being able to eat insects while in a closed terrarium or display case. One thing about small bugs, they fit in very small openings. Life, finds a way. We have a variety of carnivorous species in the shop, including Neptanthus miranda pitcher plants and a mix of Sarracenia. Stop in today to check out our collection and ask us any questions you may have. Follow our YouTube and Instagram for weekly plant care videos and spotlights.
Feed me.